I'm Keith. Nice to meet you.
You too, thank you.
Come on in.
I had chemo treatments, and shortly after that my hair came back, and then shortly after that started to lose it slowly, and it's just more going away. I feel relieved. I feel new, overwhelmed, more self-confident. I feel like a woman again.
I love it. It looks so good.
Thank you. I love it too. It's got hair again.
So much hair.